we have this incredibly dark marriage of power and money like we've never seen before. So the fact that these irresponsible and perhaps dangerously corrosive billionaires are running everything in America right now is a danger for everyone on this planet. This is very hard. I mean, it's a very dense and a very difficult and a profoundly disturbing experience, what is happening in America right now. And I'm in shock. My wife is in shock. We're all in shock. It was, you know, the people spoke and they elected this president. And I don't even think the people who elected him really believed that he was going to do what he said he was going to do. And what he's doing is much worse than what he even said. The profundity, the dark profundity of what he's been doing in the last week is mind-boggling. I mean, I suppose that if you had billionaire saints, right, who are highly developed human beings, maybe it would be different. But these obviously are not highly developed people. These are not people with emotional intelligence. You know, it appears, especially, I hate to say it, but these clowns who are around our president are extremely immature, narcissistic people. So that kind of power and narcissism is deadly, and especially with these dangerous clowns around him now who are running their own show. Unelected billionaires are running their own show, walking into offices in Washington, superseding elected people, doing whatever they want. I mean, this is a very, very dangerous time.